Hello friends, today I am with a new video in which we are going to see that how we can do the screen recording without the software. Yes, many of the people are asking that how we can do the screen recording, there are any software, and the software also for that we have to pay or anything like that. But now during the COVID-19 they have Google Chrome has given one more extension over here, that is Loom, okay, in which we can do a free screen recording. Yes, many of the people want to do the screen recording and send to their students, like that we are doing online teaching. Okay, so let us start. Many of the people are also having a problem while means they can do anything with that screen recording. They can go for the softwares, they can teach the students the subjects, or maybe anyone wants to do the business with the screen this YouTube channels. Okay, so let us start. So I will just go for your over here in the search. You will write over your Loom. In the web store, Loom web store, you will go. So you will get it over your Chrome, and in that I've already done. So you will see over here that I already have it. So I have to just click on it and I have to add that extension. As I will click the extension, you will see over here add-ons, right? In this add-ons, I you can see that many of the options I have kept it over here, and Loom for Chrome, on that I will keep it pinned. Okay, so if you don't want it, then you can unpin also that thing. Okay, so your Loom for Chrome, you can see now. As you will come over here, you will see here that this type of extension they will ask you to allow. Okay, I'll just remove it and I will show you again. I'll add to Chrome. Let us first uninstall this thing. Okay, as I've uninstalled it, now I can add to Chrome, add the extension. Okay, when the extension will be done, you will see over here that it is checking over there. Okay, when the checking will be done, after that this type of screen you will get it. Okay, yes, checking is going on. Okay, yes, checking is done. Now I already have it. So here, yes, they are giving the explanation about it. You will click on this and you will pin on it. Okay, I will just pin on it, and as I will pin on it, I have to just click on Loom. It will be loading and it will ask you over here that you want screen plus cam, or you want only screen only. You can see my photograph over there. Here screen only means only the screen presentation will be done, and here only for the cam. Okay, it will also ask you, I want to just go for the screen. Okay, I will go with the screen only. So here it will ask you for the full desktop. Yes, full desktop I wanted, and I want to start the recording. Okay, so recording using a Loom for the desktop. I don't want to download it. I will just dismiss that thing. Okay, and I will start the recording. Yes, as I will start the recording, here it will ask you whether you want to do for entire screen or you want to go with any application over there. Okay, so here as you are doing in the online teaching the same way, here I am going with an entire screen. So you can see everything is visible to you all, that what we have to do over here. Now as I have started here, it will start the recording. Yes, the recording has been started. Okay, so this is about it. um, Now the next is, I've paused it over here. If you want to start again, yes, you can start it. Okay. Next, what is there over there, that as you have completed, yes, you will click on write. Okay, so I have finished the recording. I will click on finish the recording. Here you will see one link over here. So that link you can share with the students or maybe any of the people to whom you want to share it. Okay. So this is about the link. You can also invite people to join you and see your videos over here. Okay. You can add the password. Yes, you can add the password, so the security is being maintained over there. Okay, next after that you will see over here the option that is to download it. If you want to download and you want to share it on YouTube or maybe any other way, so that you can share it. Okay, so you can also make a duplicate video and you can do the changes in that. Okay, if you want to delete, if you feel that it is not comfortable with that, then you can delete it also. Okay, and you can share with people. Yes, you can share with people, as I have told you. Okay, next is over here the settings. As you will click on the settings, here there are many options, like you want comments, you want email notifications, emojis reaction, that whether it is good or bad. You want to make a thumbnail like you are doing in the YouTube. Yes, the branded player you wanted MP4. Yes, it will be MP4 only. Next is viewer can download it. Yes, you give them the rights to download. If you don't want to give the right and you want that they can see only from here, so that also you can do. That is also possible. Okay, and you can also see the analytics of it. Like you must have seen that how many people have viewed, how many hours they have seen that thing. That also you can do the settings. Okay, so this is about the setting. Next is about the custom thumbnail that I have told you. Custom thumbnail, in that you want to set any thumbnail over there, then you can drag it and drop it. Okay, like I don't want to do now, so I will just cancel that thing. Okay, next is about trim. Yes, when you want to trim your video. Okay, so what you will do, like you will click on the start trimming. Okay, and then whatever the area you want to remove it from there, you can select it. Even you get it over here the seconds or minutes, so you can trim it and remove it from there. Okay, so you'll just click on remove, so it will be removed from there. Or otherwise you can cancel it. If you want to come back to your video, yes, you can go to return to video. Okay, so this is about it. Yes, it is having many of the options. Yes, we are having also the title option. You can change the title, that how to use Loom extension for screen recording. You can give. Okay, so this is about it. Hope you all have understand. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel if you like it.